Hello friends, today I am showing new type of chicken recipe. This chicken recipe is very tasty and very delicious, and this chicken recipe is totally beat to another recipe. So please keep watch and full recipe. I will teach you step by step. So now let's start. Here I've taken this chicken breast, and I will this chicken breast cutting properly. First of all, this chicken breast cut in half size, and now this chicken breast cut in long thin size. This is type of. All chicken cutting has done, and this cutting is totally thin size. This is the type of cutting of chicken. So now let's go next step. And here is the next step. Now add the water, and this chicken properly clean by water. And now this water, remove the water, and this chicken properly clean. And now add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Then after added half teaspoon green chili paste. Then after added half teaspoon red chili flakes. Then after added 1 teaspoon tomato sauce. Added 1 teaspoon red chili sauce. Then after added 1 teaspoon garlic soy sauce. Then after added Szechuan hot sauce 1 teaspoon. Added mixed herbs 1 teaspoon. Then after added 1 tablespoon corn flour. Then after added 1 egg. Then after added salt to taste. And now this chicken marinate properly. And this chicken properly mixed well properly, and now added 1 cup refined flour, and now mixed well properly. This chicken marinated well properly, and this marinade is totally sticky. And now added little bit oil, refined oil, and now mixed well properly. This mixed has done, and now marinate for half an hour. This is the next step, and here added 2 tablespoons refined oil, and this is the marinade chicken, sticky marinade chicken, and one by one this chicken will fry into the hot refined oil. First of all, this chicken half done properly, then after half done will complete, then after take a full done. This is the half done of chicken, and other chicken will fry in half done. All half chicken half done is complete, and now this chicken properly full done. See the friends, this chicken totally full done has done and more crispy, and this chicken recipe has done. This chicken fry has done, and now added the salt, and then after added the amchur powder and mixed well properly. And this chicken pakora is very tasty and especially for snacks. Please try at your home. And if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.